Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to another weekly breakdown here on Intuition Effects. I hope everyone's well. I hope everyone's had a fantastic week so far. And if you didn't catch any trades this week, always remember there's another week in the trading calendar. Yeah, every week's a trading. Well, I'm not saying every week's a trading week, but guys, if you didn't catch anything, like I said, there's a new week starts on Monday. Um, Before I jump onto the economic calendar and talk about anything too much, I'm just going to talk about how this week has been for me personally. It has been a quiet week, I'll be honest. I only managed to get a trade on Friday, which I have uploaded on YouTube with the music over it. You guys can go on my Telegram, you'll see the GU trade that I took. Not much explaining to do on that trade, to be honest. It was more of a took out Thursday's low, previous day low, saw a market make a buy model in the making, and went ahead with the trade idea to target Asian range highs. So you guys can see that on the Telegram. Not much explaining to do on that. But going to back about the one-on-one calls, as you guys can see, I've been posting a chat between me and a client, and you guys can see how helpful it's been for the client with the calls I'm taking. Again, I know you guys are going to say, of course you want us to sign up. Of course, no. Like I said to you guys, I don't need this. I'm doing this because I got some time and I thought, why not help you guys? Instead of you guys messaging me so much, it does take up my time because got to get the answer for you, then I got to explain it, and then trying to explain it through a text message is difficult. Imagine this weekly breakdown was just me sending you chart works and explaining it by text. You wouldn't appreciate it as much as me actually talking to you guys how I am now. So if you want that personal time with me, again, like I said, that one-on-one option is always going to be there. There is no signal, there is no mentorship, there is no any of that stuff going on because, like I said, I execute on a 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, sometimes 15 minute, and it's a point of when I've posted the trade, it's just like, oh, the move's already done by the time you guys are going to put in your trades. So I'd rather just fine tune some of your tradings. Some of you, need help. You're breaking even, so I can help you. Why are you breaking even? Which entry, looking at your entry technique and thinking, okay, you know what, this is how you could enter instead, or this is where you should take profits. Just making sure your risk management is better. And like I said, guys, sometimes it only takes one call. You know, like I said, this client of mine, he's had a couple of calls now. He's had about two, three calls, and it's just like you guys can see that has been very beneficial to him. As you can see, the trades he's taking on the Telegram. Again, I'm gonna leave that on the Telegram. Actually, what I will do is what I'm gonna do for you guys, I'm gonna show you trades. So as you guys can see over here, these EU oh these EU longs that were taken over here by the client. Um, Also, you can see over here USD JPY shorts. Look at that on a 4 hour time frame. That's a lot of pips. And obviously, this is the trade I was talking about with GU longs, the ones I took. And you guys can see again on Friday EU longs taken by the client. And as you guys can see, we all started here, guys. We all started on 0.01 lots. No one, first started trading on a 10 lot. But here you go. You guys can see, um, you know, progress, and that's the most important thing, guys, is progress. And you guys can see that there. So if any of you are interested and you want to have that one-to-one time with me, and basically it'll be me speaking to you like this, and we can have a conversation, and it'll be you directing the conversation. It's not going to be me sitting there trying to plan something. It's okay, why do you want this call, what do you need help with? And if you let me know, then I can help you with that. Like I said, I'll go into as much detail as you want me to. That's not a problem. So again, like I said, if you guys need any help, go on my Telegram channel. There's a link for the one-to-one Zoom calls, and you guys can just message me, and I can help you from there. So onto the trading part, we have the economic calendar this week. As you guys can see, Thursday is Thanksgiving. If I got that wrong, well, I hope I haven't. Well, yeah, there we go, Thanksgiving. Um, so Thursday, I know we have a lot of news, so I guess Euro might be an interesting pair to trade, and so would GU. But we'll see. We'll see how price trades again on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because we do have high impact news every single day. And of course over here Thursday, and then boom, Friday we have high impact news as well. So it will be very interesting. see what happens. Just check for you guys. I think we do have if the FOMC on Tuesday. Let me check for you guys. Just gonna check FOMC November 2023. Okay, so let's see. Just gonna load up the calendar of when it's going to be. So according to me, it's actually next week. FM next week? Or is it the week after? Hmm. No, that's NFP. Okay, so on my calendar here, I can see around October 30th. Oh, no, we're in November. Sorry, my bad, guys. So, November. You know, sometimes, guys, I'll be honest, even to this day, I get confused between FOMC meetings and FOMC. There's another part to it, isn't there? Where is it going? FOMC statement. Oh, okay, so we've had the FOMC. Okay, great. Yeah, now that clears it up. So the next FOMC is actually on the 12th or the 13th of December, which is going to be the last one for the year. And now let me go back to the date that we're looking for, which is here. Boom, there we go. Okay, so now that we've got out that, right, so it's going to be an interesting week, I think, and let's just go into the charts. Now, you know what, I need to buy TradingView Pro again. It literally just got cancelled yesterday, and I realized how helpful it actually was. And so yeah, I'm gonna get that. So for the next video, I'll have it, guys. Don't worry. I'm just trying to get this video recorded. So anyways, let's just get straight into it. Going on the monthly time frame again, very interesting where we are. We are at the monthly order block um over here, and I'm interested to see how we trade. I don't like the way we've gone past this fair value gap, but because it's on a monthly time frame, there's a lot that can happen. Again, we had the propulsion block. Boom. This week was very bearish, and I didn't see it until late. Middle until maybe like Wednesday. And that's the reality, guys. This is why I say to you guys, I sometimes like to just wait for more information. Let news go, let CPI go, and see what the market's gonna give me. And well, that's why you guys can see I took that trade on Friday. So I'm interested. We have this weekly bearish order block. We have the daily time frame. We do have these lows over here. I want to see how we trade. I want to see how Monday trades. Personally, you know, I, this high over here, I thought if we go above there, then we could aim much higher. We do have a low resistance liquidity run. I do still favor price going up there, but I'm interested to see how low we're going to go now. I'm interested to see what we are really doing on this pair. And I'm keeping my options open. And like I said, we are coming towards the end of the year. So, a lot of positions are going to be getting offloaded. They're going to really try and get price to where they want it by the end of the year. And this is just why I love being a day trader slash scalper, because I feel like it allows me to, sometimes get the higher time frame wrong, but still execute on my intraday model, just by looking at the Asian range, if it's made a London high of the day or low of the day or New York reversal, things like that. And like I said, guys, those things come with time to understand when these reversals are going to happen and how they're going to happen. So for now, I want to say dollar's bearish until we get to this low over here. I want to say that, but I need to see how we trade. I need to see what Monday gives me, and Tuesday. So I'm gonna say for now we could be going for these lows. Um, if I go on to GU again, GU looking at this could be a daily bullish order block right here. But we do have, I guess, an SMT right there. If you think about it, we've taken these lows here, but GU has not on the daily. So I'm interested to see what happens, because again, we are still in the monthly fair value gap. We haven't gone above it. EU and DXY have. So is this a form of SMT? Maybe. We've got a weekly bullish order block. Again, I need a little bit more information, guys. If I'm being completely honest with you, um, I need to see what the market's gonna do, what it's gonna give me. And like I said, guys, um, you know, sometimes you just have to wait. You just have to wait sometimes. And you'll see me, I'll say this and I'll still execute. Like I said, I executed on a Friday. And that was because I had Monday's information, Tuesday's information, Wednesday's information, Thursday's information, and then Friday I was like, okay, cool. I have an idea of what's going on. I'm going to execute, and I'm just going to get 20 pips out of the market and just boom, call it a week. And that's what I was able to do. So if you don't see anything in the market, if you honestly look at the charts and you think, you know what, I have no idea where we're going, then guys, guess what? Don't do anything. Simple as that. If you have no idea where the market's going, if you have no idea, what's going on, then guys, it's very simple what you have to do, and that's absolutely nothing. Once you're confident on where price is going to go, then you can execute. So bear that in mind. And lastly, EU. Um, I mean, guys, I think we are going for this high over here on EU. Nice movement over here on Friday, as you guys can see. Took out, the lows over here. Boom, institutional order for entry draw, and it just absolutely went higher. So Monday, Tuesday, aiming for that high. Do we get a reversal after that? I don't know. But like I said, look on the monthly, guys. We have gone above that monthly fair value gap, which I was thinking we would fall from. Still, I got this monthly target here, so I'm interested to see what's going to happen now. Are we just going to run higher? Is this high there? Maybe, but I'm taking it day by day, week by week, and right now, this is the high that stands out to me. This buy side liquidity. After that, it will be this buy side liquidity over here, and if we take out that, it will be this buy side liquidity over here, and if we take out that, guess what, guys? We're going for that. So again, like I said, I'm not rushing anything. I'm keeping it nice, simple, and slow. I'm saying, okay, you know what? This would be my next target. I can look for longs early on in the week. And then, if I do find my 20, 25 pips, get that 2%, I may just have no interest in the market until the week after. So again, very short um, analysis this week. Not much to go over in terms of the trades this week, as I only took one, and that's been explained. And I've got the video out for you guys. So I guess I'll just catch you guys next week. Is probably the best way to say it. So yeah, guys, I will catch you next week. If anybody does need help, anyone needs the one-to-one calls, please do not hesitate to let me know. Um, you know, just book it through the one-to-one link that I've got on the Telegram. And if you see a time there doesn't suit you, that you think, oh, I wish, I could have this time or that time, guys, again, do not hesitate to drop me a private message and we can sort out a time together. Other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. Take care of yourselves, and let's have a smashing trading week next week. Peace.